Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. Hope you all had a great weekend. Interesting Monday. A busy session on what should be to start what should be a pretty busy week. Both, I mean, we got geopolitical headlines, volatility's high. Also, still plenty of earnings coming up, and I feel like it's really making for just like a kind of like a busy stretch of action. I mean, on the long side, on the short side, there's just a lot of things moving pretty much every single day. Um, one of the things we talked about when we got together last week for our option session was um, the precious metal miners or precious metals, and how they're kind of at like these make or break setups. So one of the things we really like to focus on, we've been talking about a lot in 2022, is just trying to really pinpoint these setups that are make or break, meaning like a setup where something has to give. Like if the stock starts to trade higher, it could trigger a significant breakout. If the stock starts to tick lower, it could set up a significant reversal to the downside, right? So it's really like pinpointing those setups where movement, small amount of movement in either direction should trigger a much larger move in that direction, right? And what's nice about that is if you can really find those setups, you can tailor an option strategy to it, specifically a shorter term option strategy where you could possibly catch a pretty sizable move over a short stretch when the options really aren't priced for that, right? So one of the things we were talking about was this silver setup. A lot of commodities are running. Gold, silver getting bid up a little bit as more like safety plays or defensive plays, right? But what's really interesting about silver is that you can see the orange line here is the 200-day, and it's dancing right around the 200-day. So the 200-day was, so if I put the chart, put the arrows here, you can see it was significant support, then it broke it, and then it turned into resistance on the first bounce in August, right? Turned into a big area of resistance on the next bounce in November, and then a third time right at the top. The 200-day mark, the just about the perfect bounce high in January when it rallied. So now this is the fourth time it's attempting to get back to the 200-day after losing it, which was a key support level in June and July until it lost it. And we've seen these commodities move when they open up, they can really start to run, right? So if this is going to be a pent up breakout after a 6-7 month lower trend, the move higher should be pretty sizable, especially when there's a lot of money like moving into more like defensive oriented areas, right? So like whether that's like energy or like other metals like copper, steel's having a good couple days. Aluminum's moving, so there seems to be some like real interest in like those types of names. Also, alternatively, right, if it were to fail, well, we've seen what happens. The last three times it's failed, it's had a significant pullback very quickly. So in August, sharp drop about 10% in a matter of a week. In November, sharp drop about 10% in about 2 weeks, and then again in January, sharp pullback, and that was about 10% as well, and that was in a little over a week. So, if it were to fail, seems like there could be quite a bit of downside quickly, and if it were to break out, it seems like there could be quite a bit of upside quickly. So, it's one of those make or break setups, and it was something that we were looking at. Um, Last week, and now, I mean, after like a few days dancing around, it seems like it's back into that point where something's got to give. So want to put it on your radar. Take a look, let me know what you think. And we'll see how it goes. We'll see if silver ends up making a little bit of a move, and maybe we can capitalize on it. All right. If you like this video and you're looking for more information about these make or break setups and swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night. Stay well, stay safe, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.